In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google AdSense. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Google AdSense account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense dashboard. Now look over to your left-hand menu. You'll want to scroll down a bit until you see the Account tab. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've opened the Account section, you'll see several options under it. What you're looking for is Personal Settings. Select this option to open your personal settings in AdSense. This is where you can make changes to your preferences, including your language settings. Once you're in the Personal Settings area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Display Language. This is where you can choose your preferred language for the AdSense interface. When you click on this section, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see various language options. This includes popular global languages, as well as regional options like Hindi and Bangla. Take your time to find the language that you're most comfortable with. After you've selected your preferred language, you won't have to worry about any additional steps to confirm your choice just yet. So don't get overwhelmed. Just move down a little further in the menu, and you'll see a Save button at the bottom of the page. This is a crucial step. Clicking the Save button will apply your changes immediately, so you'll be able to see the interface in your chosen language right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your Google AdSense account. This can make your experience a lot smoother, especially if you're more comfortable using a specific language. Now, to recap, you started by logging into your account and navigating to the account settings. Then you selected Personal Settings, scrolled to the Display Language section, picked your preferred language from the drop-down menu, and saved your changes. It's straightforward but can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform. If you need to change it again in the future, just follow these same steps, and you're good to go. Google AdSense is a powerful tool for monetizing your content, and understanding how to customize your experience can really enhance your workflow. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps us know what content you're interested in. Until next time, happy monetizing.